with foreign loop. Here we have the person object with the keys first name and last name, and here we are iterating over that object. And if we run this program, here we get the output as first name last name, and we have another array, months array with values Jan, Feb, March, and here foreign loop prints the index keys 0, 1, and 2. Let me run this one. So as you can see in the output, the first one printed first name, last name, because these are the properties in the object, and second one printed 0, 1, 2, 3. Let me show you the for of loop. So for of loop, it iterates over the array. So let me run. This one prints values Jan, Feb, March.